Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Blink Mini 2 indoor smart camera. So this camera you do have to have plugged in all the time. It does come with 2 screws. You can mount this to the wall. I typically set these on my tables and you can point in whichever direction you'd like. You are going to have to plug in this wall adapter. It's got USB-A out and then it's got USB-C, which we plug in the back right here. That's how you're going to power it, and you got to have it plugged in all the time for it to work. Now the cable it comes with is about 80 inches long. The plug-in's about 1 5/8 inches by 1.5 inches. Now the wall adapter you can plug into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1.5 amps. Okay, so we're going to plug it in. Now there is a QR code that you're going to scan with your phone during the setup process. It does have a speaker, has a light. We have 2 little lights here to let us know it's in setup mode. And again, you can take this off and put this on the back side here also if you want to mount it to the wall. There's the reset button. If you ever need to reset this, you're going to press that button in. But it stands right about 3.5 inches tall. That's about 1.5 inches by about 2 inches. Okay, so you do have to have a sync module in order for this camera to work. It's not a standalone camera. So the Blink sync module, the camera is going to talk to the sync module is going to talk to the internet, and that's how you communicate it with your smartphone. Okay, in the Blink app, you're going to click the plus button. We're going to add mini cameras. Now you're going to scan that QR code on the back. Select the sync module. I have 2 sync modules, so select the one you want to connect it to. And mine is in discovery mode. The blue light's flashing and the green light's on steady. If it wasn't, I would hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. So now I'm in discovery. You will need to connect. That's going to transmit a Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi being transmitted by this. The first thing it's going to do, it's going to update the firmware. This can take about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's going to give it a really long name. Click the 3 little dots. Let's go to device settings, scroll up to general, and change the name. Now I named mine Blink Mini 2, but you want to give it a name of the location where it's at, like back door or dog house. Now we want to update the thumbnail, refresh thumbnail. You can do this as many times as you'd want. Now we have a picture of what the camera looks like. So now we can press, let's do a live view. Now it does have a light. I can turn that light on and off on the front of it to illuminate it. So if it's in a dark room and you want to make it brighter, that's a really bright light. So I can turn that off on this little button right here. Yeah, that picture is crystal clear. And it doesn't lag by a whole lot either. I can turn the speaker on and off. I can listen to it. I can speak through it if I'd like. And I can go in and set the different types of motion settings. I can have it detect the motion, let me know, audio, video recordings. There's all kinds of different settings. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.